Alright, welcome back to T2's Barbecue YouTube channel. Well, today we're going to be doing something that's by request, something a little bit different, but on a cold, nasty day like we've got today, it's the perfect recipe. We invite you guys to stick around while we make Rotel chicken spaghetti. So give me just a minute and we'll start working on this recipe a little bit more. We'll see about getting her going. Alright guys, so I just finished boiling my chicken breast, my boneless skinless chicken breast. And so while I've got my broth good and hot, here's a little trick from your old Uncle Terry. Use that broth to cook your pasta so that the flavor from your chicken goes directly into your noodles. Adds yet another layer of flavor, and I don't know how many times you guys have heard me say it, I like the layer flavor. So we're gonna just work our pasta in, and we're gonna let him cook right there in that pot with all that good seasoning and the juice from the chicken. And that way you've got one leg up on your flavoring for your spaghetti. Get one step ahead. So while this pasta is cooking, I'm gonna see about getting our chicken broke down, get it shredded up there, and I will bring you guys back when it comes time to start putting it together. Alright guys, so we got our pasta done, and now it's time to move on to building this thing. I've got about a half stick of butter melting in the pot, going in with one yellow onion diced, and we're just gonna kind of saute this a little bit. We're gonna give him a couple of minutes to kind of get friendly with the butter and his little seasoning friends here. Tony's, of course. I know. It's spaghetti. I don't care. Tony's makes everything better. Alright. I'm going to pop the lid on this for just a few seconds so that it'll steam that onion and help break it apart. We've got our chicken ready to go, and we are just about ready to get to building this thing here. So let me get this onion sauteed, and I'll bring you guys right back, and we'll get it put together. Alright guys, so our onion is getting close. I'm going to add just a little bit of minced garlic. I waited until my onion was close so that I don't overcook my garlic. Nothing's worse than overcooked or scorched garlic. So oh yeah, smell that garlic coming to life. So first thing in the pool is going to be our Rotel. Ooh, doggy, that smells good. And our next little trick is going to be to add a little, we're going to add a little bit of our broth back so that we don't want this to get too thick. We can always simmer it and steam it a little bit and let it thicken. But I actually added about a half cup each time I went in there. So we're gonna let him start working his way back up to a slow simmer. And we're gonna add our cream of this, that, and the other. Everybody's gonna get friendly here shortly. Get that pretty Velveeta over here. There we go. He's coming back now. Oh yeah. Goodness gracious. All right. How about that? Yes, sirree. Alright. Sorry about the baked bang, but get that out of the way. There we go. Woo-wee. We got a nice little sauce coming up here, boys and girls. See, the tomatoes, the onions are translucent. Let's get this guy out of our way. Yes, sir. I think we're a little on the thick side. So I'm going to add just a little bit more broth. About another half cup there. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm going to cover this for, I bet that sounds good on camera. We're going to cover this for a minute, let it start coming back to a light simmer, and then we'll add our Velveeta, get it melted down, and then we'll take our chicken for a swim. We'll bring you guys right back. Alright guys, so we got her heated back up. Now I've taken my Velveeta and just cut it into cubes. Now guys, this is the hardest part of the recipe because you actually have to really tend it at this point. You don't want to stop stirring. Just drop the cubes in and keep them moving. And all we're going to do at this point is just get our Velveeta in get it melted. And man, this stuff is getting so creamy as this Velveeta is melting down. Alright, everybody's in the pool. Get that Velveeta melted down there. Now if you like yours, if you like a little kick, you can throw in an extra can of Rotel. You can use the hot and spicy Rotel. But I don't do as well with the spicy stuff as I used to. I guess my gut's getting old and it talks bad to me whenever I do that stuff. So yeah, we're just about there, boys and girls. Come on. Time to start taking our chicken for a swim. All we're going to do is just turn this in. I've still got the heat going on medium. So you want to keep it moving. You don't want your Velveeta to scorch. About got everybody in the pool. I'm going to go ahead and turn that burner off. Alright. Okay guys, give me just a minute to get our pasta back over here and we'll put this stuff together. See you in a minute. Alright guys, so we got our pasta back over here. Woo! That's looking pretty good. So let's go ahead and get this sauce in here. Look at that, ain't that pretty? Let me get my little scraper doohickey here. That is a technical term, by the way. I think that's the official name for it, is scraper doohickey. Y'all check that out and let me know, would you? Alright. We got everybody in the pool. So now, it's just a matter of getting it worked through them noodles. Getting everybody friendly in there. Yes, sir. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Look at that, boys and girls. That's gonna make your tongue try to slap your brain out, boy. Woo! Yeah. Alright, I think we about got everybody mixed. Give me a minute to pull my pans and we'll transfer it into the pans and get them ready for the oven. Alright guys, so I've got an aluminum half pan here. I sprayed it with Pam and we've got our beautiful mixture here. And So I'm just gonna move him over from here to there. I'm gonna do this the messy way. Dana probably shoot me later, but that's okay too. Alright. Now let's see here. We're gonna kind of spread him out in our pan here. And then the final piece of the puzzle is our Ritz crackers. Now this is optional, guys. This is not something you have to do. Honestly, this is my own little twist to this recipe, but I like a good crust on the top of it. And so I'm gonna take some Ritz and just kind of crumble it over the top, and then when we put this in the oven and bake it, the Ritz are going to do a couple of things. They're going to give it a nice little crunchy topping, but at the same time as it bakes, it's going to seal the moisture into this pan, and that'll keep our pasta from drying out. So there it is, guys. Excuse me. That's our nacho, our Rotel chicken spaghetti. So give this recipe a whirl. Let us know what you think, and remember to give us a like, give us a subscribe, click the little bell down there so you'll get notifications. And some folks are telling me that they're not getting notifications all of a sudden when our videos go up. Just click the bell again. That seems to fix it. So as always, thank you guys for being here, spending time with us. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.